Once in a while, a process is developed that completely shifts the paradigm of an industry. It delivers efficiency gains, measured not in percentage terms, but in levels of magnitude. That's exactly what TIG does. TIG renders current welding procedures obsolete by reducing welding arc-on time to an average of 1/10 of the duration. This quantum leap in welding technology was developed by Australia's National Science Agency, the CSIRO. With a team of over 20 engineers and specialists, Dr. Laurie Jarvis refined this technology over an 8-year timeframe. In this demonstration, 2 pieces of 9.5mm thick stainless steel pipe with a diameter of 273mm are being welded together. This process would usually take a fully qualified, specialised TIG welder 6 hours to complete, with a cost for labour and consumables of approximately $670. The TIG process completes this same task in just 3 minutes and 50 seconds, for a total cost of less than $20. The TIG control system automates the entire welding process, eliminating the need for expensive, highly skilled welders. The TIG controller automatically monitors, adjusts and logs each weld parameter, meaning critical and complex welding sequences can be reproduced time and time again. TIG welding can perform large welds with a single pass, eliminating the need for filler materials for welds up to 18mm thick. A ripple-free quality root and finishing cap is achieved in only 1 pass. No more back gouging or cleaning between welds. This greatly reduces the risk of corrosion and weld defects, extending the product life cycle. TIG welding easily handles traditionally difficult materials such as titanium. This opens new and exciting markets previously considered off-limits to traditional TIG welding techniques. Early competitive advantage can be achieved with TIG's proprietary patent-protected technology now. Industries including pipe fabrication, aerospace and defence, pressure vessel manufacture and shipbuilding can make exponential gains in productivity by employing TIG welding. What are you waiting for? To make the most of this new opportunity, contact TIG today.